Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Mannat and today we are doing one of the most requested videos, especially after this look of mine. Everybody wanted to know what I use on my face, how I do it. So first of all, I'm going to make this clear. I'm not doing that eyeliner tutorial here because it's going to take a long time and it's like really precise. So I might do a separate video for that if you guys want to see an eyeliner tutorial. But this is mainly just going to be skin focused and for that, first of all, you need the sun also. Okay, in that video I looked that glowing, like that glowing and sun-kissed because of the sun. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So for this kind of a makeup look, first of all, I do this regularly. Like whenever I go out, this is what I do, and I hate putting foundation, so this look involves no foundation whatsoever. And you gotta prep your skin really well. So right now I've washed my face, I put hyaluronic acid and I've put sunscreen. I put vitamin C and sunscreen. So this is my basic skincare routine that I do in the morning. And after that, it's been a while since I put that, so after that I'm gonna put this super light gel cream by Pond's. I love it, it's cheap and it's so good. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. So now that I'm done with that, I received this primer from Smashbox. It's their new primer range. It's the Photo Finish Illuminate Glow Primer, and I love it for that glowing look. So I'm gonna put this mainly on the high points of my face. So like on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. I'm just gonna blend it in. It gives that really nice glow without it being too glittery, you know. These steps are very important. Okay, so I need to see how I look first. Yes, everything is nice and blended, and now my skin is prepped. So we're gonna start with concealer. This is my favorite concealer and everything will be linked down below. So I put this color correcting concealer under my eyes, and I have been blessed with this beautiful pimple over here, which we're gonna embrace today. I put this wherever there's like color correction needed. I don't use an orange color corrector for my dark circles because you need foundation to cover that. So I use something that's a little darker than my skin shade. That's it. So that's where I put my concealer. And now taking a damn beauty blender. Please remember that I hate it when people use dry beauty blenders. So just blend it. Dab it first of all in place. And after putting it wherever I have to, jitna bhi is left on the sponge, I just go all over my face with it and neck. Okay. So now that the correction is done, we are going to use this concealer, which is a little lighter than my face. This is by Swiss Beauty. Again, all the makeup that I'm using is drugstore and is cheap. So I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of my eye where I need like a little lightness, because that's where it's the darkest. Okay, around my mouth, a little on my forehead, jitna bhi thoda bahut bacha here or there. That's it. That's all. I hate putting a lot of makeup unless I'm like actually shooting and in front of a HD like really good 4K camera, because for that you need all of the foundation and the color correction and everything. I don't mind my dark circles being visible. If you do, please go ahead, put more concealer. This is all I like. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my Fit Me compact powder and just gonna put powder on the places I've concealed. Press it in. Now it's time to add back some color to your face. So I love this cheek tint. You can either put this cheek tint or you can go with the powder blush. But to get that healthy glow, first I do really like to go in with a cheek tint anyways. And so the way you apply your blush really makes a lot of difference. So what I like to do is I like to put it really high up. So this is where I put it, like here, okay, and a little bit on my nose. And now you're just gonna pat it in. Do not drag it because it'll, like, you know, drag all the product, but just pat it in. And the more flushy you look, the more awake you look, is what I feel. And it's just a nice summer look. You look really cute. So I love blush. So this is what I do, okay? But next, if you wanna use a powder blush, what I like to do is, to get that glow, is I dip my brush in the blush first, very lightly. This is very pigmented, again by Miss Claire, and this blinding highlighter, and just tap it on and just put it lightly, like with very soft hands. Just I want to look at the mirror while doing this, but keep it really high up, okay? Do not bring it on like exact apple of your cheeks, because it'll make your face look rounder, which I do not prefer. So I take it really high up, and that is how the highlighter and the blush is really blended. Now if you want to look bronzy also, then I just go in with my bronzer. This is from Rimmel Beauty. It's a very light one. I just like to put it a little, just blend it with my blush. Do not go below your cheekbone at all. That's it. The more powder you use, the more cakey your makeup will look. So blend, 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 blend. That is the tip, really. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and just dab everything in. Now that's it for my base. I am gonna put kajal next, and just put mascara, and for my lips I'll come back. So for my lips, I follow that real trend that started, but like I've taken my own take on it. So basically I use a darker lip liner, okay, then use my blush, which in that it says, in that reel it says use your eyebrow pencil and use a blush and then a gloss, but I like to use a darker liner in the shade, like it's a brownish maroon shade. Then I like to use my tint and then my favorite lip balm, that's Carmex. So let me show you how to do it. And this is my favorite. I get so many questions about it. I've lined my lips and I just blend it. Then I go ahead with my tint and put it in the center. Just blend it. So you really don't need to line your lips entirely. Like you can just do the outer lips and then fill it completely with the B tint. And last but not the least, my favorite part, that is gloss or like lip balm. Carmex is very glossy, so it gets the same finish. And that's it. That is my makeup look. If you guys can see, this is how I do my makeup literally every single time I go out. It's just the eyes that change, or the lipstick, depending upon like what I'm wearing. And yeah, I love it. It's so breathable. That's the main point. And you can wear it in summers, winters, monsoons, every day, or just to parties or for shoots, whatever it is. And to get those pictures, you need the sun, okay? So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And if you want me to do an eyeliner tutorial, I'll do it separately because it needs a separate video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.